Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of Mi Band 6. The box of Mi Band 6 looks like this. Here you can see the 6 number, and coming to the sides you can see the features: 1.56 crisp and clear full AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, up to 30 workout modes, and water resistant up to 50 meters, and stress monitoring and breath training, and reliable sleep information recording, and menstrual cycle data tracking, and magnetic charging. These are some of the features. And coming to the back, here you can see the model number, that is XMSH15HM. The price mentioned on the box is 3999, but you can get it from Amazon for approximately 3499. Currently there is an offer going on every Mi Band. There is a 200 rupees discount, so you can get a Mi Band for 3299. If you have a Mi Band already, you can get 500 rupees discount if you purchase from MI store or from MI website. So without wasting any time, let's open the package. Here is the inside box, and here is the Mi Band 6. Let's keep it aside and let's see what we got inside the box. I think it is a magnetic charging cable. Yes, it's a magnetic charging cable. The magnetic charging cable looks like this. If you can see properly, there is a Mi branding, and we get some booklets. That's it. Here is a user manual on how to use the Mi Band 6. Let's keep these things aside and let's remove the Mi Band 6 from the cover. Here you can see that the display is turned on, and you can see the message, pair first. Similar to the previous generation, the build quality of the strap is too good. There is no need to remove the band from the strap. Here you can see that you can use this magnetic charging cable and you can charge your Mi Band 6. First let's pair this Mi Band 6 with my phone. To pair the Mi Band 6, we need to install Mi Fit app either from the Play Store or from the App Store. I have already installed it on my Android phone. Let's click on open. If you already have an account on Mi Fit app, you need to simply log in. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account and log in once. Once you have logged into Mi Fit app, the user interface will look like this. At the bottom right, you can see the profile option. Click on that. Under profile, you can see the list of devices I currently have. I have a Mi Band 5. To add Mi Band 6, what we need to do is we need to click on add device. Since it's a band, we need to click on band and click on agree and give the permissions. Now the Mi Fit app is searching for nearby Mi Bands. Here you can see that you will get a message on your Mi Band. If you can see properly, pair with phone, click on OK. Now you can see the message, paired successfully. Click on activate, click on OK. Now the device is activated. Click on OK. On the Mi Band, you can see the user interface. It looks similar to Mi Band 5. Here you can see some of the features of the Mi Band 6. Now it is trying to update the software on the Mi Band 6. This process may take few minutes, so I'm going to come back once it is done. After that, it will update the firmware. Here you can see that updating firmware. Once the firmware is updated, your Mi Band 6 will restart. Here on the phone, you can see the percentage of charging left on the Mi Band 6. And this is how the display of Mi Band 6 looks. The major difference between Mi Band 5 and the Mi Band 6 is the display. Mi Band 6 has a bigger display, and it also has one more important feature called as SpO2. Let's take SpO2 readings. SpO2. Click on sync. It is measuring. Here you can see that 76, 75. I need to wear it tightly, little more, to get the accurate results. I am checking it once again. Here you can see the results. Now let's check the heart rate. Here you can see the heart rate. It is currently changing, if you can see properly. Though these are not accurate, it does the job. There are a lot of other features on this watch, such as you can check the temperature on the watch itself, and also you can get the notifications on your Mi Band when you get a call or message. And on the display you can change the watch faces also. I will make a detailed video on how to change the watch faces. This is how the Mi Band looks on my hand. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Mi Band 6. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.